Good morning, everybody. Now we are going to study about solving of simultaneous linear equation by graphical method. In the previous classes, I have already told you, I have already teach you how we have to solve simultaneous linear equation by graphical method. On that method, I have given already a question from here on the boards. Now I am going to read. Solve the following simultaneous linear equation. Equation is given that y minus x, sorry, x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0 and 2x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. These are two simultaneous linear equations are given, which is solving by graphical method that is given in the question. Graphical method, and in which we have to find the vertices and area of the triangle form in the given graph. First of all, we have to write the first equation and second equation from about the question, and that is given. Now in second step, for first equation we have to write from first equation. We have to find out the value of x in the respect of y. Here we get, from first equation we get x is equal to y minus 3. Now we take the randomly value of y such as to get value of x. That value is putting this in this equation. Now here, if we take y is equal to 1, then we get x is equal to 1 minus 3. It means that x is equal to minus 2. In next point, if we take y is equal to 2, then we get x is equal to minus 1. Third point, if we take y is equal to 3, then x is equal to 3 minus 3, x is equal to 0. These are the 3 points of first line of linear equation. For second equation, here from second equation we have 2x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. From this equation we have also find the value of x in the respect of y. Here 2x plus 3y, here minus 4 is transferred to right hand side. Here we get 2x is equal to 4 minus 3y. Therefore x is equal to 4 minus 3y upon 2. In this equation, for second line in this equation, we have also find the minimum 3 point. Here if we take randomly value, we can take any randomly value of y. Here if we take y is equal to 0, then we get x is equal to 2. If we take for second value, for second coordinate point, if we take y is equal to 2, then we get x is equal to minus 1. For third point of second equation, if we take random value minus 2, then we get, after the putting of in this equation, here 4 minus 3 is multiplied by minus 2 upon 2 is equal to 5. From these 3 points we get following table here. If we take if we take y is equal to 0, then we get x is equal to 2. For second point, if we take y is equal to 2, then we get x is equal to minus 1. For third point, if we take y is equal to minus 2, then we get x is equal to 5. It is the following table for second equation. Here it is the following table of first equation. Now on the basis of first equation table and on the basis of second equation table, we draw the graph by following method. First of all, we have plot the x and y axis on coordinate axis, where integer numbers are written minus 2 positive, it means that negatives and positive with 0. In downwards, here that is the y axis and it is the x axis. In x axis it is the point of origin, from point of origin in the respect of x-axis. Here all the values are negative. In the point from the point of origin in the x-axis, in the right side of point of origin, all the given values are on the x-axis positive. In the same way, from origin in the above y is equal to positive and in the below y is equal to negative. If from first line we take point, if v x is equal to -2 and y is equal to 1, then if x is equal to -2 on the coordinate axis, we take the point. If we take x is equal to, if we get ordinate -2 and abscissa 1, then that point is located here. For second point, minus, if we take x is equal to -1, then y is equal to 2. Here y is equal to positive. It is given here. Point B, if we take minus x is equal to -1, then y is equal to 2. For third point, if we take x is equal to 0, अगर x का मान 0 है तो y का मान क्या है हमारे पास 3 है. ठीक उसी तरीके से अगर हम x के मान 0 लेते हैं, ना तो हम आगे बढ़ेंगे ना तो हम पीछे बढ़ेंगे. पॉइंट ऑफ ओरिजिन से तो y की वैल्यू में क्या मिला, पॉजिटिव, इन द पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन 3. These are the 3 points of first line, first linear equation. This first point, second point and this third point. Now in the same way for second linear equation we have also tried to draw line here. If we take x is equal to 2 for second line, for second linear equation, if we take x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 0. If we take x is equal to 2, if we take x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 0. It means that y neither any positive nor negative number. It is exactly on x-axis. This is the point E. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 0. It is given by coordinate axis, coordinate point. For second point, if we take x is equal to -1, then y is equal to +2. If we take x is equal to minus, it is taken in minus, means here from here -1 to y is equal to 2. It is similar coincide here. This point, this is taken as B. From third coordinate points of the second equation, if we take x is equal to 5, then y is equal to 2. If we take x is equal to positive from origin point to right hand side, if we take 5 positive value, then we get -2 in downward here. All the here point A, B and C are the 3 coordinate points of first line for first equation, and point D, E and F are the 3 points of second line, means of second equation. Note here point B and point D both are coincide to each other. Both points are coincide to each other, both having the common coordinate point. Now according to question is saying that find the vertices and area. First of all we have to write the vertices of triangle and area. After then we have to find the area of triangle. Now vertices, from the given figures there is obtained a triangle. That triangle is formed point G. This what is point G, point B. हम B को D भी कह सकते हैं क्योंकि B और D दोनों क्या कर रहा है, कोइंसाइड कर रहा है. थर्ड पॉइंट जो थर्ड वर्टिस जो मिल रहा है हमारा क्या है, पॉइंट E पर है. हियर वैल्यू ऑफ x on after the solution of this simultaneous equation by graphical method, where two lines of the graph of two lines where intersect, that is the exact value of x and y. That is the common numbers which is exactly putting in the given equation, that gives the value of LHS is equal to RHS. Now in second times write vertices of the triangles, all the vertices of triangle GBE. Here GBE, यहाँ पर B और D दोनों कोइंसाइड कर रहे हैं, तो हम यहाँ पे भी कह सकते हैं ट्रायंगल GBE और ट्रायंगल GDE. That is written here, triangle GBE or triangle GBE are following. their vertices are point G. G is the vertex. It is the vertex of triangle. It is also vertex of triangle and it is the third vertex of the triangle. Vertex means it is the plural form of the vertex is called vertex. Now we are going to plot the vertex point G on the graph yani on the coordinate axis location of G is -3. If we take x is equal to in negative direction, x is equal to -3 and y is equal to there is neither positive nor negative. It means that y is equal to 0. Coordinate point of G means it is the vertex, first vertex of triangle G, second vertex triangle B. Here B and D both are coincide. It means that B and D coordinate point of B and D is -1 and -2, -1 and -2 because these are coincide to each other. Now third point E. Point E coordinate point of point E is 2 and 0, means x is taken as 2 and y is taken as 0 because y is neither above nor down, but x is from origin to right hand side 2 points, 2 units. In now last step we have to find, according to question, in the last step we have to find the area of triangle formed by the line. Here we get the following triangles GBE or GDE. Here area of triangle GBE in which यानी कि जो हमारा दिया गया ट्रायंगल्स है, इस ट्रायंगल में हमारा बेस क्या होगा, बेस 5 यूनिट होगा, मींस 1 2 3 4 एंड 5 गैप्स. देयर आर 5 गैप्स मींस 5 यूनिट, बेस मींस 5 यूनिट. हाइट ऑफ ट्रायंगल यानी कि height of triangle means it is taken as on y axis, means total height is similar, it is coordinated from, it is corresponding from taken as y axis. Here one gap and here two gap means 2 units, height taken as 2 units. Now we know that area of triangle means half is multiplied by base into height. Now here from the given value area of triangle GBE, half is multiplied by base is taken as 5 unit and height is taken as 2 unit. Unit of this and unit of this, unit is multiplied by unit square. Here 5 2 are 10, 10 upon 2, 2 is divided by 10 is divided by 2, then we get 5 unit square. This is the area of square. At last we get value of x and y for this simultaneous linear equation is that x is equal to -1 and y is equal to 2. First answer. Second answer is taken as vertices of the triangle. These are given vertices of triangle. And third is asking that from about the question area of triangle, and that is the area of triangles. It is the syllabus of class 10 CBSE board. Thank you.